This is the best robot vacuum ever. Dreamy. I mean, it is so dreamy. It is so perfect. So here I'm just showing you how it is. You can just, control it from your phone. There's an app, or you can just control it by pressing the button start. But if I do it with my phone and on my app, then it just starts working easily. It is so beautiful. It's like connected. It works so well, and it is such intelligent. Like, there's so many things it can do on its own, and it is such a good product. Here it starts and it goes, and it knows already where it goes. So it's just making around, making sure it needs to know where it's going. You give him clear instructions through the app with your voice. It is just so good. And then it just goes, and it's going to go here in my hallway to vacuum my hallway without me having to do anything. And you can also tell him to just clean everything. So here it started, so it shows. It obviously has cameras that tells it what to do. It's like vacuum. All the little that's done. It is so beautifully done. It is just so perfect. It has its own little camera. It knows where it's going, what it's doing. It's just great. What's so beautiful with it as well is that it does come back, and we're going to see that, but it does empty itself. It does mop the floor or just vacuum. It is really the dream here. It is the best of the best robot that you can buy, and honestly, it is worth every penny. It's gonna save you money on so many things. You don't need a house cleaner. You have Dreamy. It's gonna save you time. You have Dreamy. You can turn it on your phone and it can start before you go to work. It is so well done. Now it's done with the whole way. And I'm just ordering it to go back and to settle back, and to empty itself. It's just so good. So it goes back. And look at that. Up, it's going to turn around and just go back, empty itself, and be done with it. And just like that, you've cleaned your house. Just like that, just with an app, just with this little robot. You need nothing else. Save time, save money. Just get the Dreamy. Worth it.